Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change chat wallpaper in Line 2024. So the first thing you do is open up your Line app, and then you have to tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up your settings. Next, you have to scroll down to chat. You can see chat under general, tap on it. Next, after the second option of backup and restore chat history, you can see chat wallpaper, where you get to choose a wallpaper to use as a background for your chats. This won't affect chats that are already using custom wallpapers. You tap on it, and then you can see all the chat wallpapers we have here. So you can choose from here. There are many of them. If you don't want this, you can just choose colors. If you don't want colors, you can choose from your photos as the one you want to use. That's how to just use colors. And then tap on apply. Wallpaper changed. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change chat wallpaper in Line 2024. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.